Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we are going to be showing you how to make simple garnishes to give your food some extra pop. Cue the music. Alright, well thanks a lot for joining. If this is your first time joining us, please do me a favor, head down to that corner there, hit that subscribe button, and then hit that notification bell to be notified each and every time I upload new content. Alright, you clicked on this video to have me show you how to make a couple of really nice, easy garnishes that'll help make your food stand out. Let's head in the kitchen here and check out our ingredients for this. We're going to start out with one of the versions. We're going to have purple cabbage, salt and pepper, green onions, olive oil, rice vinegar, and then some carrot matchsticks that I've got. The second garnish we're going to show you is going to involve grape tomatoes, salt and pepper, fresh basil, olive oil, and rice vinegar. We got everything we need. Now we're going to head over to our prep table and start doing these up. So we've got our big bowl here. We've got our knife that we're going to cut our purple cabbage with. So basically what I want to do is I want to just take this purple cabbage. I'm just going to cut it so I can get a look, and I want to go as thin as I possibly can to get some nice shred out of that. Whoop. I don't need too much. I'm probably not going to need this whole thing. I just want to get enough out of there that I can make a garnish to show you, and once you get the gist of all that, you'll be able to make your own garnish for as much as you want. Now the longer you leave these shreds here, the more of a flour, I guess you'll call it, that you'll be able to have. We're going to take our green onion. I'm just going to snip off the kind of the bad ends. And basically all we're going to do with this is we're just going to shred it. We're going to cut it the long way down the leaf. So you're just taking your little matchsticks, I guess, and you're just gonna julienne these as fine as you possibly can. And you want to just throw them right in there with the red cabbage. Then you're just gonna take, these are already done up, these little cabbage, or these carrot sticks, so I'm just gonna throw them in there as well. I would have liked to have them finer, but these have been sitting in our refrigerator for some time, and I decided I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of them by using them in this video. Let me get this out of the way. So now it's just a matter of seasoning. A little salt, a little pepper, just enough oil to mix in there, and a little vinegar to contrast and add another bit of flavor. We're just going to mix this all up. Looks like a coleslaw. I'm going to set this aside and we're going to do the next one. Alright, garnish number 2. We are just going to take our grape tomatoes and we're just going to cut these in half. Go lengthwise. You can go across the equator, it doesn't matter. I go lengthwise, stem to stem. Then when you get those all done, then we're going to take our basil leaves and we're just going to take a couple, since we only have about 9 tomatoes. Oh, this stuff is so fragrant. I love basil. And we're going to chiffonade. I'll put a card right here for a video I did on how to chiffonade and what chiffonade is. And we're just basically going to roll this up and we're going to get a good camera angle there. And I just want to slice this up on the chiffonade. Basically what you've got there is you've got some really nice fine cut. I'm going to throw that right in there as well. Then we're going to season it, salt and pepper. oil, a little bit of vinegar to offset. You've got two different garnishes there. One cherry tomato with some chiffonade basil, and another one you've got a coleslaw base with the very colorful red cabbage. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to throw some pictures that I took of plates that I made at work, throw those in the timeline with some really groovy music. Then we're going to come back and we're going to say goodbye. Enjoy the pictures and enjoy the music. Alright, well thanks a lot for joining us today. This is just a quick video on how to do some simple food garnishes to give your food a little pop and a little color. I hope you enjoyed those pictures. Don't forget to go down to that description box. I got a lot of groovy stuff down there too I think you'll like. I've got a podcast now. I have got an Etsy seasoning store. I've got a cookbook out and a couple of other groovy things that I'd like you to go check out. When you get some time, go down there, check that out. It's also got all the measurements for this video that I did today I forgot to tell you what they were as we were doing them. So it's all down there. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video, leave a comment down below, and then share this video with everyone that you know. Take care of yourselves. We'll see you next time right here on It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Bye-bye.